Hey guys, if you're wondering whether you can create a player in college football 27, then the answer is yes, you can create a player, but there is no direct option available in game by which you can create a player directly. But as you know, we have the option Road to Glory, which will allow us to create a player. So that's the option you need to use to create your player. Like this option will allow you to play as a player. So for that, just go to Road to Glory and you can obviously start your career from scratch. Select the option Start, and once you do that, you will able to see a window like this. Here you can simply change some settings if you like you can just simply, if you want to skip the high school experience, you can toggle off this option. It is up to you. And in order to create your player from scratch, like customization, appearance and all the jazz, for that you would need to go to advanced, and right here you need to choose whether you would like to go for elite, blue chip, contributor or underdog. In my case, I'm gonna select this one. Then you need to choose your position. I'm going with quarterback. Next, you will see the window to create your player. Like the first option we have here is player info. And if you select the player info, you will able to change the first name of your player, last name of your player. You can also change the jersey number. You can choose the handedness, home state, hometown, and so on and so forth. Then you can also change appearance. Like if you select it, you have two options. If you select head and skin, here you will able to change the head of your player like this. Then you can also change skin tone, skin details. Like you have a lot of options and you can simply use these tabs to customize your player. For instance, I'll just keep it as it is. If we go for here we'll able to change the hairstyle. Let me select this one. Okay, then we have the option to change the hair color as well, which is quite interesting. So let me select this one. We also have the option to change the facial hairstyle. Let me choose this one. Then we can change the facial hair color as well. I'm gonna select this one. Then after that we have the option to change the gear. Like if we select gear, we have a lot of options. Like if we select head gear, we'll able to change the helmet of the player. Then you can change the face mask. You can also change visor. You can equip mouthpiece, face masks and tape. So you can just explore these options and just customize your player however you like. Then you have the option to change the torso. Like you can see, we have jersey style. Then you got your back plate, shoulder pads, neck pad and so on. Then you can go for arms, and here in the arms section, if you wanna like basically equip some sleeves, you can do that from here. Similarly, you can choose the sleeve for right arm as well. Then you can go for left elbow, right elbow, left wrist, right wrist and so on. Then you can go for lower body, and here you'll able to again equip some leg sleeves. You can equip towel, waist gear. So just explore the section and you'll able to customize your lower body. Then you can choose the option fit to choose the shoe model. You can adjust the sock height as well. Then you can change the left spat, right spat. Yeah, that's it. Now you can just back out from this option and the changes will be saved for your player. Next option you have here underneath of gear is styles. If you select that, we'll able to change the quarterback throw style like this. You can change the ball carry style, run style. Like just change all of these things however you like. And once you do that, you just need to simply select the option continue. Then the next thing you need to choose is player base. So for that, either you can start from scratch and build your own player, or you can build a player of the template of a legend. I'm going to create by my own. Then you need to choose the height of your player. You can change the weight. You can also change the body type. Once you're done, simply select the option continue to customize. And then the next window you will see is to basically adjust the attributes for your player. Like here, by using the right stick, you can increase or decrease the attributes like this. Once you adjust your attributes, simply press A or cross. And after you do that, you're gonna see window for mental abilities, and right here you can simply choose things for academics, leadership or brand. So for instance, I'm just gonna choose anything. So once you choose this, simply hit continue. Now this is the final window and you can see the summary of your player, like the attributes and the appearance of your player. If you want to save this, just hit confirm and save. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you're able to create a player in college football 27. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.